Ferocious dogs are a topic of interest and discussion for many people due to their intimidating nature and potential dangers associated with them. It's important to note that aggression in dogs can be influenced by various factors, including genetics, training, socialization, and individual temperament. While certain breeds may have a reputation for being more aggressive or having a stronger prey drive, it's crucial not to generalize all dogs of a particular breed as ferocious. Here are some points to consider when discussing ferocious dogs. Breed stereotypes. Certain breeds have historically been associated with aggression due to their physical attributes or past roles in activities such as guarding or fighting. However, it's important to recognize that individual dogs within a breed can have varying temperaments, and responsible ownership and proper training can significantly influence a dog's behavior. Aggression versus fear. Aggressive behavior in dogs can stem from fear, territoriality, dominance, or a combination of factors. Understanding the underlying reasons for aggression is crucial in addressing and managing the behavior effectively. Responsible ownership. Responsible dog ownership plays a significant role in preventing aggressive behavior. Providing proper socialization, training, mental and physical stimulation, and a loving, consistent environment can help foster well-behaved dogs. Dog bite prevention. Educating the public on how to interact with dogs appropriately can reduce the risk of dog bites. Teaching children and adults how to read a dog's body language, approach dogs safely, and respect their boundaries is vital. Training and rehabilitation. In cases where a dog displays aggressive behavior, working with a professional dog trainer or behaviorist can help address and modify the behavior through positive reinforcement techniques and appropriate management strategies. Breed-specific legislation. BSL. Some jurisdictions have implemented BSL, which places restrictions or bans on certain dog breeds deemed dangerous or ferocious. The effectiveness and ethical implications of such legislation remain subjects of debate among experts and advocates. It's essential to approach the topic of ferocious dogs with an open mind, focusing on responsible ownership, proper training, and understanding the individual dog's needs rather than perpetuating stereotypes about specific breeds.